I find the best chef in Vietnam and today do mamai
Socola cake.
Break a chocolate, add some butter, spinning bowls, break my bowls, lick my sugar, salt, juice, cacao, mix it more, bring it kitchen. Melting chocolate, add some cream, do my cream outside, where are you looking at? Mix it again, beautiful. What the fuck, bro? Put it in a bag, bake it. Oh my god, let's eat. Wait, what the fuck? What the fuck?